Hi there, I'm Bryan Fouts with Fouts Innovation and Design. You can find me at VacHook.com. I want to talk to you today a little bit about my flagship product called the VacHook. How I came about making this was out of frustration. I have children, we have a family dog, so we have hair, okay? I seen a mess on the carpet and it was time to do some vacuuming. And I knew I hadn't cleaned the vacuum for quite some time. So that brush that's underneath there gets clogged up with hair. This is where the brush is located. It's on the bottom of your brush style vacuum. It's also commonly referred to as a beater bar brush. It's an all plastic tube and has bristles on it. Pretty simple, right? It clogs up with hair. And we have a lot of hair. So I used to use scissors and knives all the time to clean and remove that hair, but I just couldn't quite get into some of those tight spots to get it all. So on rare occasions, I'd have to actually take it apart to clean it, and nobody wants to do that. Especially if you don't know how to take a vacuum cleaner apart, it can be a very cumbersome task. So what I did is I created the beginning tool from a 3/8 bolt. I bent it, sharpened it in a few different ways, took it home, tried it out. It sort of worked, and I knew I had to streamline it a little bit. So the very next day, I made the second prototype of what was going to be the VacHook. At that time, I did not know. I put a handle on it, a lot more comfortable, easy to use. I put the bend in it to keep my hand away from the vacuum cleaner while I was cleaning it. And it slid right under the hair. And then when I pulled it, cut. It worked great. I was pretty happy. I even patted myself on the back a little bit. I threw it in the drawer. I knew I'd need to use it again someday. It was just another thing I had created to simplify my life. So that very next day, I had an aha moment. I thought, there's a lot of other people out there having this exact same problem as I was. I want to help them. So the next phase of what I wanted to accomplish was to find someone that could mass produce this, make it out of a much better quality material that was durable and held up. I didn't want cheap plastic because nobody wants to buy something that's just going to break. I wanted something that lasted for years and years and years to come. So I found a manufacturer. Today I have the VacHook for you. It's all stainless steel, very high quality stainless steel, I might mention. It's very durable. I'm a pretty good sized guy. I can't bend this thing. The handle's welded on, very comfortable. Everything's slick, smooth, doesn't need painting because it's stainless. It'll never rust, and it stays sharp. So I can use this thing over and over and over. And today I'm going to demonstrate how this tool works on some things that you may or may not vacuum up into your roller brush. Okay, first I'm going to start with thread, household thread. That is about as close to hair as you can get. We'll put the VacHook underneath. As you see it, the hair slides and rides up. Once it gets past this V-notch area where the cutting part is, then you pull the opposite direction and it just cuts it. It's that easy. Push, pull, cut. It's that easy. Then we're going to move up to kite string. We all know how tough kite string is. You can't break this stuff. It's very durable. So I have a few strands of that wrapped around here, and we're going to send in our tool to do its job. We're past the cutting head and hold the board. It cuts it. Then I'm going to move up to the fisherman's friend here. We've got 12-pound test fishing line. That's some tough stuff. You can pull in some pretty good sized fish with that. We're going to send in our little guy here, do some cutting, and it cuts. Again, my name is Bryan Fouts. I'm with Fouts Innovation and Design. Come find us for this amazing tool with an amazing price. I don't know how long it'll be available because they're moving fast. FoutsInnovation.com. Get yours today, and for a limited time, I'm going to let you have a second one for 25% off. Get one.